Want a natural boost in the bedroom? I'm packed with citrulline. Your body turns it into arginine, which relaxes blood vessels and improves flow everywhere.
I am tomato juice. My lycopene acts like a shield for your skin from the inside out, protecting against burns and aging. Feeling puffy? Stressed skin? Water isn't enough. I depuff your face and make your skin glow from the inside out. I'm pineapple juice. My secret weapon is bromelain. This amazing enzyme helps break down food for better digestion and fights inflammation. Pale winter skin? Forget the spray tan. My beta-carotene builds up in your skin layers, giving you a natural, healthy, golden glow from the inside out. Toothache hurting you? I'm water with cloves, nature's anesthetic. Just hold me in your mouth, and the pain will fade away. I am lemon water. Drink me before your meal. My acidity stimulates the liver to produce bile. I kickstart your entire digestive system for the whole day. I'm a natural legal doping. My nitrates turn into nitric oxide, opening your blood vessels. Drink my juice 2 hours before a workout for super endurance.